I've been hard at work, just got up early, did my workout, and yeah, things went well. Getting ready to go out and hang out with some friends, so that will be a lot of fun. Tomorrow I'm going to talk a little bit more about alignment. I'm going to teach you an exercise that I think will be really important. But yeah, no, I'm just working hard, just pushing as hard as I possibly can, getting ready, closing up different different chapters, opening up new chapters, all really exciting stuff. So yeah, that's basically as far as an update. It's just been working and keeping everything aligned. As far as I'm reading, Failing Forward by John Maxwell, watching and researching stuff about leveraging in relationships, obviously in a healthy way, to get where I need to go, planning a mastermind that I'm going to probably start in September, finishing up the online course, and some of the details and some of the stuff for that. So I mean, there's a lot going on right now. So yeah, I mean, that's it. I said I was going to do a video a day, and I'm going to do a video a day. I didn't set up anything crazy or whatever. I just me talking to the camera and just expressing and talking about different stuff. I do apologize for the DJI Osmo 2 for the sound quality. It's garbage. That's why I'm not on it right now. And it's just sitting, my iPhone sitting on my desk and I'm recording. I did figure out a solution. It's very cool. I guess I could show you that solution. So I have the video. So I have the DJI Osmo 2, which actually is doing pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. A lot of people probably complain about it, but it takes some getting used to. And then I also have a mount for a shotgun mic for a boom. So what I'm going to do is, where the quarter is at the bottom, I'm going to take another quarter here. I'm going to put it there, and then it'll be like that. So then I'll get better sound quality instead of the garbage that you guys have been hearing. So yeah, that'll be exciting, and I'll see that. So I'll be working on that project tomorrow, but I'll also be showing you guys just an alignment exercise that I do. Maybe you'll find it helpful, maybe you won't. It really helps me out a lot. So I'm excited to share it with you. And then probably next week or why not, I'll continue about the process and some of the different things and what I'm doing to align myself. Again, this whole process is about alignment, and so just making sure. That's a lot of hard work too, right, guys. I get up really early in the morning. Well, not really early. I mean, I get up semi-early. And then I'm just go until about 10 o'clock or so, and then I start winding down, I go to sleep, and I wake up, and then, do it all over again. But tonight is about just going out and enjoying with some friends. It'll be really good. Tomorrow I'll figure out this solution, so it'll be like this, which will be really nice. Good sound quality for you guys, because right now it's kind of garbage. Okay, it is garbage. And then, yeah, I'll be working on some scripts and some different things to what I'm going to talk about. I've got some presentations and different things going on. But, yeah, it's been really, really busy. But no complaints. And there you have it. That is my update for today. Hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever the YouTuber people do. If you really want to know, ask me any questions, whatever. Anyway, you can visit BAM Create if you want. It's fine. Anyway, talk talk later. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.